running barefoot when the rain falls slow. Nana sit quiet by the firelight, acting strong, but I know she cry at night. Whole village talking, but nobody said where your father, why he never stayed. Graduation day, everybody clap, but no Sulu Vakataga from you, just empty gap. Mom was mother, father, everything, carrying burden like she wearing crown of king. You left one small boy watching the gate. Every truck passed by thinking maybe today. But you never come, you never try. Just leave me under that Fiji sky. Yo, now look, house big, bank account right, no more kerosene lamp in the night. Used to share one bread for a whole day meal. Now I sign papers, close business deals. Where you in the school shoes there? Where you when mom couldn't pay bus fare? Now you're calling like nothing wrong, saying son, family is strong. Family, please don't make me laugh. You weren't there when life was hard. Bridge never burned, don't twist the tail. You never even built that bridge in the first place, mate. You see the vodka sailing smooth, now you wanna jump on like you always knew. But this success, this name, this pride, built from nights we nearly cried. Whoa, oh yeah, 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 whoa, oh yeah. Severe and our time don't pass. Sun already set beyond that grass. You miss the fever, the hospital bed, the nights I wish you there instead. You miss